Welcome to the CompTIA A+ Prepcast presented by baremetalcyber.com. Mobile devices rely on a wide range of connectivity features and physical ports, all of which can present unique problems. Issues with Bluetooth pairing, mobile charging, USB data transfer, or port recognition can severely impact functionality. These problems are common across smartphones, tablets, and wearable devices, and often involve both hardware and software components. The A+ certification includes objectives focused on diagnosing connectivity problems, testing mobile ports, and resolving charging and pairing failures. Mastery of these troubleshooting techniques is essential for technicians handling day-to-day mobile support tasks. Bluetooth pairing failures are one of the most frequent complaints in mobile device environments. Users may report that their phone cannot detect a Bluetooth headset, or that pairing fails repeatedly between devices. Sometimes, devices can see each other but fail to establish a secure connection. This can be caused by an incorrect or mismatched PIN code, especially with legacy Bluetooth accessories. Compatibility mismatches between Bluetooth versions may also result in unstable connections or pairing errors. Another common problem is that Bluetooth may be disabled entirely or restricted due to system or app-level settings. Interference and signal range limitations are additional challenges for Bluetooth connectivity. Because Bluetooth operates in the 2.4 GHz frequency range, the same band used by many Wi-Fi devices, congestion and interference are common in crowded environments. Physical obstacles like walls, metal structures, or even human bodies can reduce signal strength or block the connection altogether. Devices that are too far apart or moving too frequently may lose signal during pairing. Resetting the connection or moving the devices closer together is a useful first step in isolating the cause of disconnection. Troubleshooting Bluetooth issues begins with a structured approach. Restarting both the mobile device and the Bluetooth accessory can resolve many temporary glitches. Unpairing and repairing the devices forces the system to re-establish trust and resolve any authentication problems. If that fails, technicians should test the Bluetooth radio by pairing the device with multiple accessories to determine if the issue is with the mobile hardware or the peripheral. Updating the operating system and checking Bluetooth settings for restrictions may also uncover hidden software issues affecting functionality. Charging problems are another critical category of mobile device failures. A device that charges slowly, only charges when powered off, or fails to charge at all often signals a hardware or power delivery issue. Users may notice that the battery percentage stays unchanged for long periods or drops rapidly after charging. Inconsistent or partial charging may point to loose connectors or faulty ports. In some cases, the battery may no longer hold a charge effectively, even after reaching 100%. Recognizing these symptoms is key to identifying whether the fault lies in the port, the cable, or the battery itself. Several factors can lead to charging issues, some of which are deceptively simple. A dirty or obstructed charging port is a common cause, as dust or lint can block electrical contact. Damaged ports, bent connector pins, or a worn charging cable can also prevent proper current flow. Chargers that do not meet power specifications, such as low amperage adapters, may result in very slow charging. Battery degradation over time or internal connection problems inside the device can further complicate diagnosis. Finally, some charging issues may be caused by software bugs that interfere with the charge cycle. Cleaning and inspecting a mobile charging port is a critical first step in resolving power delivery issues. Technicians should use non-metallic tools such as plastic picks, soft anti-static brushes, or compressed air to remove debris from the port. Visual inspection can reveal signs of corrosion, physical wear, or misaligned pins that interfere with the charger's fit. Metal tools should never be used, as they can short out the battery or cause irreparable damage to the device's motherboard. Thorough inspection and careful cleaning often restore normal charging behavior in otherwise functional hardware. Cables and chargers must also be verified during troubleshooting. Swapping out the charger and cable with known good accessories helps determine whether the problem lies in the device or the external components. Inline USB testers can measure voltage and amperage to confirm that power is being delivered at the correct rate. Comparing charge time across different charger and cable combinations provides insight into whether fast charging protocols are working properly. These steps are especially useful when dealing with intermittent or inconsistent charging symptoms. USB data transfer failures can appear even when the device charges normally. A user may connect their phone to a computer and find that it is recognized only as a charging device. This can result from incorrect USB mode settings on the mobile device, such as being set to charge only instead of file transfer. Faulty USB cables often provide power but fail to transmit data, leading to confusion during diagnostics. In some cases, outdated or missing drivers on the host computer may block communication. Technicians must confirm both the hardware and software components of the USB connection. For more cyber-related content and books, please check out cyberauthor.me. Also, there are other prepcasts on cybersecurity and more at baremetalcyber.com. Over time, physical wear to mobile ports can lead to unreliable connections and device instability. Repeated insertion and removal of charging or data cables causes friction that slowly degrades internal connectors. A worn port may exhibit a loose fit, requiring the cable to be held at a certain angle to charge properly. In extreme cases, the port may stop responding entirely. Users may also report that syncing fails or audio drops intermittently when using combo ports. Visual signs of wear, combined with user complaints, help technicians determine whether port replacement is necessary. To reduce physical strain on mobile ports, some users employ magnetic charging accessories. These small adapters remain seated in the port and allow power to transfer through magnetic tips. While this method reduces mechanical wear from repeated plug cycles, it can come with trade-offs. Magnetic accessories may not support fast charging or high-wattage power delivery. Some models interfere with phone cases or introduce durability concerns due to poor contact. They are best suited for users who prioritize convenience over charging speed, particularly in environments where devices are connected and disconnected frequently. Mobile devices offer several USB mode settings that affect how they communicate with connected computers or accessories. Options may include charge only, file transfer, photo transfer, or MIDI control. On some devices, users must enable developer mode to access advanced USB features or override default behavior. Media Transfer Protocol, or MTP, is used for transferring files between devices and may become unstable or unavailable due to bugs or firmware conflicts. Toggling between available modes or restarting the device often resolves mode-related USB failures. Wireless charging offers a cable-free way to power devices but is not immune to failure. Symptoms include the device not charging at all, charging very slowly, or charging inconsistently. Most wireless chargers have built-in foreign object detection, which disables charging if metal or conductive debris is detected on the pad. In other cases, the issue may be caused by misalignment between the charger coil and the phone's coil, especially with large or oddly shaped devices. Proper placement and compatible hardware are required for successful wireless charging. When troubleshooting wireless charging problems, technicians should isolate variables by testing another device on the same charging pad or testing the affected phone on a different charger. Removing thick or magnetic cases can help improve alignment and signal strength. If issues persist, rebooting the phone or checking for firmware updates may restore proper functionality. Some wireless chargers support firmware upgrades, and updating them can resolve bugs or improve performance. These steps help determine whether the issue is with the charging pad, the phone, or both. Mobile hotspot functionality introduces another layer of wireless troubleshooting. Users may report that other devices can't connect to the hotspot or can connect but have no internet access. These problems may stem from incorrect security settings. expired data plans, or incompatible network modes. In some cases, the hotspot feature may be disabled by the carrier or restricted by system configuration. Technicians should confirm that the host device has an active mobile data connection and that the correct authentication type is being used before diving into deeper diagnostics. Software plays a significant role in mobile connectivity. Operating system updates can resolve long-standing bugs or introduce new compatibility problems with specific accessories. Permissions within the operating system or individual apps can block access to Bluetooth radios, background processes, or USB transfer functions. Background applications, especially those managing battery or system optimization, may interfere with wireless or wired communication. Identifying recent software changes or updates helps technicians narrow down potential causes of connectivity issues. When ports must be replaced due to damage or failure, the process can range from simple to highly technical. In modular phones, entire daughter boards containing the charging port can be removed and replaced with basic tools. In integrated designs, replacing the port may require heat application, micro-soldering, and access to precision rework equipment. After installing a new port or board, the technician must test all relevant functions, including charging, data transfer, and accessory detection. Proper reassembly and cable routing prevent future issues related to flex or misalignment. Diagnostic apps can assist in identifying port or connectivity problems by providing access to internal test routines. These tools can test the status of Bluetooth radios, proximity sensors, USB ports, and charging circuits. Many device manufacturers include service mode codes or downloadable utilities for use in triage or warranty verification. When working in repair centers or large environments, these tools accelerate diagnoses and reduce the need for trial and error testing. The A+ exam expects familiarity with basic diagnostic procedures for both wireless and wired mobile interfaces. To conclude, mobile connectivity issues span a broad range of symptoms and root causes. Whether the problem lies in Bluetooth pairing, USB port wear, data cable failure, or wireless charging alignment, technicians must approach each case methodically. Testing with known good parts, verifying settings, and cleaning or replacing damaged components are all essential steps. Maintaining familiarity with OS-level controls, accessory standards, and diagnostic utilities ensures that issues are resolved quickly and accurately. The A+ certification reinforces the need for structured, tool-based troubleshooting in mobile support roles. Thank you for listening. Please visit baremetalcyber.com for more cybersecurity information, podcasts, books, and more.